Hello guys, very good evening or good afternoon. Greeting of the days, greeting of the day. So yeah, here I make a video for of you to of my blood bank where I in my this is my night shift duty in blood storage center. So you can see my blood storage center. I will see you all my blood related things in where I work in blood bank. So yeah, this is you can see this is my blood bank. Yeah, this is our machine refrigerator. Okay, here is a FFP plasma phosphor plasma also there. Okay, it's a minus temperature. It's a minus in a 25 around one minus 20 to 40 degrees minus temperature because it's a ice form. We keep stored in a ice form in minus temperature, minus 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Otherwise it destroy and it's not a working condition. So when we require of FFP any patient, so we melt in a water bath in a liquid form because in right now in this minus temperature minus 25, so it's very hard in ice like a stone. So after we melt in a water bath, it's a water bath is a machine. I will see in this video. Okay. So first of all, you can see this is chair. This is chair. Okay. This is chair sitting for us. Yeah. And this is you can see this is our AC. It's a I think my it's a minus it's a 60 degrees Celsius temperature right now. This is phone call where we contact in the whole hospital department when we contact any patient regarding any nurse. So we call. Yeah. So I will show you of my this side because it's this side. This side is the wall like it's not a very wall. It's like a temporary. You can say it's what do we say? It's a general like a. It's not a very permanent. Okay. So yeah, you can hear this is blood bank related files, all documentation work files like loan out file, blood requisition form file, or like lots of because blood bank have a lots of files or lots of documentation works. Yeah, so there is also if you see it's a master register where we enter all details about patients. Okay, whoever we issue blood, so all details of patient we enter in this master register. It's a very big register. I think you never see in this your life in your life. And there is also it's a files and document it, and it's a mandatory necessary or you can say some unnecessary accessory instruments of blood bank where we you need sometime. This is like like you can see it's all documented. This is a washing area, hand washing area, all related to. Yeah. And if I show you, this is my working station. Here we blood check, blood grouping through a tube or through a card method, and here we cross match performing the test. Okay, through these pipettes. There are two pipettes, 1 2. Okay, so through these pipettes, and this is tips, and this is glass tube, and this is a waste used tubes. This is normal slide, this is tips, this is segment cut, this is sealer instrument, this is centrifuge. Okay, it's all things off, not right now because it's a night shift, so I off all things because I don't have work here right now, so I all things work off, turn off. This is incubator of blood bank. This is my working here. I study sometime like that. You can see my book. It's my spectacle. This is my bottle. This is my vitamin D syrup because I have a vitamin D deficiency in my body sometimes, so I take this syrup. This is blood issue register where we entry about patient, which patient we issue blood, all details about patient, all details. Okay, So yeah, this is my charger, mobile phone charger. This is also documentation registers of blood bank. Okay, they all details of fill. It's a previous years, I think 4 to 5 years register of blood bank of this storage center. So yeah, this is blood BBR. First of all, I see from there. It's a generally I think temperature 2 to 6 degree, but right now AC I sometime off. I just right now I on the AC, so it's out of the temperature, but it's okay. Not a very worried about it because it's normal after some time. So I think within a half an hour, it's normal. So yeah, this is A positive blood group. Here we keep it A positive first row, and it is a device where in which day samples on request come. So we like that boxes made, and after we on device we keep it sample, which day samples. This is our like B group section. Here all B group blood we keep it, and here it's a O section. Here all subgroups we kept it. But right now we don't have a B positive blood group because in our mother blood center have a shortage of B blood groups. So that's why we they saying you when you require any request, when you have any request, so you can call us, and after we tell you what doing, because they are also shortage. So that's why they, if they have, so they send. Okay, so they, it's that's the thing. This is my bag, this is my tiffin, this is my books and chairs. There we study like that. You can see this is my sleeping area. You can see. Okay, it's a very comfortable, you know, and it's very easy. And it's also chair for my study books. This is waste BMW. It's called in medical term biomedical waste management. It's a different dustbin. So it will be for used for us medical. Okay, so yeah, this is all about my blood storage center. This is my night duty. So here I spend my whole night of 16 hours, you can say, because in blood bank I do 16 every day, 16 hour of night shift duty. Yeah, it's my whole journey of blood bank. You can see this is a fan also. I didn't see. I think it's a fan. It's this is a clock. Okay, this is also mirror here also available. Yeah, one thing I think you did, I didn't see you. This is, as I told, this is water bath. Okay, yeah, as I told you in the starting, when I see you FFP plasma. So in this we melt. This is that machine. This machine we melt FFP plasma, which are ice form like stone. We made this. Yeah, this is all my journey of blood bank. Okay, so please comment in the section how is like your video is this, and how is my blog. Okay, and subscribe my channel. Thank you to watching my video, and subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon. Okay, for next time when I make a video, so when I upload the video, so you got a notification. So yeah, this is bye bye. We will meet next vlog, next video. Okay, and you must comment in the comment section box in which topic you want a video. Okay, I will try to make in your choice of video. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you to give your time. Thank you so much.